So it was an open gym that our son was in, and during that open gym, they had this pit, if you will, an open pit with foam, and the kids were to dive into the pit and get out and do their thing. They also had a little donut hole that the kids could kind of jump through, and so that's what they were doing at that time. And it seemed like there was very little supervision there, and so my son did his thing, and he got somewhat trapped in the foam pit and was not able to get out right away. And that's when the bigger kid took his turn, didn't see our son in the pit, and landed on his arm. And that was all because of lack of supervision at the gym.
And his arm hyperextended, and it required surgery and some pins.
Well, we're not really used to having attorneys, and so getting the correct type of attorney was a little bit stressful, and we didn't want to just look in the yellow pages or look on the internet. So we'd rather go through referrals, people that they've used before and people that they recommend, and that's how we came upon Grant Dixon.
Absolutely, yeah. I felt like we were very well prepared for the depositions. We knew exactly what to expect. We were very comfortable when we came in. My son was very comfortable with the surroundings. We felt like it was very thorough, and we weren't intimidated. And it wasn't a long, grueling process like you might think or hear. It was well done.
Grant pretty much prepared us, during the deposition and what to look for and how to answer the questions. If there were questions that we didn't understand, basically you just ask, can you please repeat the question, we don't understand. And if we still didn't understand, then we'd refer back to Grant and he would further explain the question to us. So it was a very easy process.
I think that we'd like everybody to know that that your office worked very hard for us, and that we were really getting back to the preparation. We were very prepared, and things were laid out well, so we knew what to expect, and we were real happy with the way things went. My son felt very comfortable around the other adults that were in the room and helped assist with the case. They made him feel very comfortable, very prepared. They didn't make him feel shy or reluctant to say things. They didn't coach him along to say things he didn't mean or lead him in directions to change the story in any way. He felt very comfortable saying what he really meant and wasn't intimidated.
I would say, whenever you hire an attorney, there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of unknown, fears with the process, and going through, Grant Dixon, none of that really happened. He was able to explain to us, in a down-to-earth way of the process and made us feel very comfortable. So the whole process from beginning to end, I thought, went pretty smooth, without any anxiety.
I would say go to Grant Dixon's law office because everybody there was very warm and friendly. You don't expect that maybe from an attorney or from an office. Just, you don't expect that from a business. But you're looking for something like that when you're working with your children, your family. That's really important to you, and you get a sense that they have family and they would do it that way, or that they would not guide you in a direction that they wouldn't take their own family. And that really made us feel comfortable and happy, and I know that that made my son feel comfortable too.